Hey Prof. Bowie, it's Braden Lehue, and here is my video for my favorite thing. My favorite Scratch project is the one that we did called Scenes. I'll admit that when I started this project, I was not too sure what I was going to do, and I kind of just went with it. I think why it's my favorite is because I was actually pretty proud of it when I got done. I was not too sure how it was going to turn out at first, and I thought it was going to be a total disaster, but in the end, I was really proud of it and surprised how it turned out. And plus, it's the first actual, thing I've done with different scenes in a Scratch, so I'm pretty proud of this one. So the instructions for the project are pretty simple. You just press the green flag to start. Here's the coding. There's a lot of coding for it. Let me zoom out. Not too much, but there's still quite a bit. Most of the coding is movements and speech, and also switching scenes, and then there's a bit of sound in it also. So here is that project. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, Prof. Bowie, and thank you for watching.